Hello, good flocks. How are you all doing today? If I ask you a question, do you ever notify the public institution or any government agencies about the elimination of a water pipe leak near your house? If the answer is yes, then you are a sensible citizen of your country. What if you get rewarded for this good job? Because you are succeeded in helping save water that would have otherwise been lost. In this case, Whole Earth Foundation comes forward. So, let's take a look at a different crypto site, that is Whole Earth Foundation. Whole Earth Foundation goal is to address the real world challenges of aging infrastructure utilizing novel tokenomics to empower the people to govern their infrastructure. Though the project has rapidly evolved since its inception, the ecosystem is still in its early stages. The foundation will be primarily responsible for development and growth until it achieves sufficient decentralization. Therefore, Whole Earth Foundation believes that it is vital to have a significant portion of tokens allocated for the ecosystem. These tokens will be distributed out of the ecosystem participant in exchange for their efforts and contribution towards the growth of the environmental database. Recently, Whole Earth Foundation have decided that burning tokens would be an important step for the foundation growth going forward. Therefore, they would like to announce the decision to perform a one-time burn of 700 million or 70% of the total token supply, reducing their total token volume from 1 billion to 300 million. This can be found on Etherscan. The maximum token supply will never increase beyond its current cap in the future. For fairness, this burn will be applied evenly across all allocation criteria, including tokens reserved for the ecosystem, team, and public sales. Let's talk about the tokenomics of Whole Earth Foundation. WEC tokens will be the utility token of the platform. It will be an ERC20 utility token based on Ethereum blockchain. Whole Earth Foundation has total supply of 300 million tokens. From these tokens, 40% is reserved for ecosystem operation, that is approximately 120 million tokens. Another 40% is reserved for public sale and 20% reserved for teams, that is approximately 60 million tokens. Whole Earth Foundation final initial exchange offering round is set to take place on Provit and CoinBit starting May 21. Don't miss this chance. If you miss this chance, it will be lost for you. So, hurry up guys, grab the opportunity to earn money with the Whole Earth Foundation now.